In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert your PowerPoint presentation into a video with audio, step by step. This is perfect if you want to share your presentation online, upload it to YouTube, send it to clients, or turn it into a professional training video without needing any extra software. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully exported video file with your voice recording included. If this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss upcoming tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Make sure all your slides are finalized, because whatever is visible here is what will appear in your final video. Once your presentation is ready, go to the top menu and click on the Recording tab. This is where PowerPoint allows you to record narration and slide timings directly inside your presentation. Inside the Recording tab, click on Record Slideshow. You'll see a drop-down option, and from there, choose Record from Beginning. This ensures that your recording starts from the very first slide, capturing everything in order. Once the recording window opens, the first thing you need to do is enable your microphone. Look for the mic icon and make sure it's turned on. If it's muted, your voice will not be recorded, so double-check this before you begin. You can also quickly test your microphone to ensure your audio levels are working properly. Now, click the Record button to start recording. PowerPoint will begin capturing your voice along with your slide timings. As you present, use the Next key or your arrow keys to move to the next slide. This allows PowerPoint to record the exact timing for each slide automatically. If you want to emphasize certain points while explaining, you can use the pencil tool available on the screen. This lets you draw or mark directly on your slides during the recording. It's a great way to highlight important information and make your presentation more engaging. Continue presenting until you reach the final slide. Once you're done, click the Stop button to finish the recording. After stopping, click Close to exit the recording view and return to the normal PowerPoint editing screen. At this point, your presentation now includes recorded narration and slide timings. To convert it into a video file, go back to the Recording tab. This time, look for the option that says Export to Video and click on it. PowerPoint will now prepare your presentation for video export. You'll see some quality options depending on your version of PowerPoint. Choose the video quality you prefer, usually Full HD for the best balance between quality and file size. After confirming your settings, click on Create Video. You'll then be asked where you want to save the file. Choose your preferred location, give your video a name, and click Save. PowerPoint will begin exporting your presentation as a video file. Depending on the length of your presentation and your computer speed, this may take a few minutes. Once the export is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the file, and you'll see your presentation as a video, complete with your recorded audio and slide timings. You can now upload it to YouTube, share it via email, or use it for online courses and training materials. And that's it! You've successfully converted your PowerPoint presentation into a video with audio. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.